Today we are going to show you how to run the cost of roads spread. This is typically done at year end once you've completed your Act 51 report. A typical road commission will spread the cost of roads to the primary and local, construction, preservation, and maintenance accounts after the fringe calc has been completed and spread. The cost of roads amount to spread is derived from accounts under the 514 control account. The percentage to be spread to each construction, preservation, maintenance account is calculated by completing page 10 of the Act 51 report titled Distributive Expense Overhead. Here is an example of the page 10 of the Act 51 report titled Distributive Expense Overhead. As you can see on line 197, the total percent, though it says a $sign here, is 4.1722. We will use that as our example when processing the cost of roads spread. To access the cost of roads spread, click on General Ledger, then Cost of Roads Spread. Here you will enter the account level to spread. This refers to the ProFund accounting account structure. Since the Level 3 and Level 4 are used to specify the primary and local construction, preservation, maintenance accounts, the level to be entered will generally be Level 7, as this is the last level used and where all other activity is posted to. Now you will enter the percent to spread from your Act 51 report, page 10, called Distributive Expense Overhead. In the example that was shown earlier, the 0.041722 would be entered as 4.1 or 4.2 if you want to round up, or you can even put in all the digits as 4.1722. Next, enter the low and high account levels as necessary to instruct ProFund accounting where to spread the calculated amounts. This would be where you want to spread your cost of roads. This is typically from account numbers 450 to 496. If this is not the case, then other levels will be used to further refine which accounts the spread will apply to. Now we want to enter the fiscal year start date, which is 1/1/2014, and the effective date for the transactions that are generated must also be entered. This is usually the fiscal year end date. The transactions that are created are usually debits, and the program will make one balancing entry to the 7-level account number that you must enter in the credit account for cost of roads spread. In this example, we're using account number 514, subaccount 724. You could use an example of CORSPRD or any other appropriate number or letters if you don't want to use any of the examples we've given you. The reason why you would want to use a credit account number is to maintain the history for the line item expenses. These can be very helpful when you are asked to compare certain years or time periods. If you don't use the credit account, it will zero out all your expense line items, thus losing your history. Now select OK. Once this journal is created, it can be viewed, modified, or deleted in GL Post. Most often, this entry will have to be modified so that the amounts charged to the construction, preservation, or maintenance accounts match what is reported on the Act 51 report. This is due to rounding during the calculation. If an account number range or percentage to spread error is found, the entire journal can be deleted and the cost of road spread calculation can be run again. To access this journal, select General Ledger, General Ledger Post, then your source of entry will be COR, and then your last cost of roads spread, and select OK. Once you have your cost of roads General Ledger Post in the screen, you can simply select Edit and edit any of those line items that need to be changed. Then simply hit Commit when you are done, and OK, and then Done. As a note, all the fields entered into the Cost of Road Spread program are recorded, and the next time the program is brought up, all the fields are preloaded with the contents from the prior run. If you have any questions about the Cost of Road Spread, please do not hesitate to contact one of our staff.